Today, my topic is the concept of the different type of orbital. So, before discussing about the type of the orbital, we have to first should be familiar with the definition of orbital. That what is orbital? ठीक है. First question is what is orbital? I want to tell you that orbital is nothing. Orbital is quantum mechanically is a wave. Orbital is nothing, but orbital is quantum mechanically is a wave. Okay. So the distribution of electron in a wave, okay, where the probability of the finding the electron is maximum, that is called as the orbital. So we can say that the orbital is 3D region around the nucleus of atom where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. Okay. So different type of orbitals known as such as s orbital, p orbital, f orbital and d orbital. That names of the orbital are given on the basis of the distribution of the electron. Okay. If the distribution of electron is symmetrical around the nucleus, then this is called as s orbital. Okay. Symmetrical and spherical, we can say that not only symmetrical is good example or good definition for the s orbital. So we specified the s orbital such as the distribution of electron in spherical manner around the nucleus. This is called as the s orbital. Okay. So different type of s orbital are present such as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s. Okay. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s and different type of s orbital. If you increase the numerical value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as the numerical values increases, the size of orbital increases, and if the size of orbital is increases, then the energy of the electrons present in the higher numerical values containing orbital is high. Let us consider you have 1s orbital. So 1s orbital are showing in the figure. This is 1s. Okay. Size of 1s orbital is this. Okay. Now I show 2s orbital. This is 2s orbital. The size of 2s orbital is greater as compared to the 1s orbital, because 1s orbital size this and 2s orbital size is this. Okay. I have discussed it that as the numerical value increases, the size of the orbital increases and the energy of the electron present in higher size orbital is high. Okay. This is 3s orbital. Okay. So s orbital is totally spherical and the distribution of this orbital is in all the direction x, y and z. Okay. So this is s orbital. Now I want to discuss about the another type of orbital. Such orbital is called as p orbital. Okay. So we move on p orbital. This is p orbital. Okay. So p orbitals have two lobes and dumbbell like shape. Okay. The palace where this is vacant region. Okay. This is called as node, and these two lobes are called as the lobes of the orbital. Okay. This is dumbbell like, and in p orbital you are seeing that this is vacant space. Okay. Where z is seen. Okay. This is called as node, and we have discussed already that what is node and what is orbital. ठीक है. So Orbital is the region around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. Such specific region is called as the orbital, and the node is the region around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is minimum, that is called as node. So this is vacant region, this is called as node. Now this node is called as nodal plane. I want to show this plane. This is nodal plane, and here no electron density, almost zero, tending to zero. So node is the region where the probability of finding the electron is tending to zero but not zero. Okay, this is nodal plane. Okay, this is S orbital. Okay, this is S orbital. Sorry, this is p orbital. Okay, and distribution of this orbital is around the x direction. Okay, so this is called as px orbital. Okay, seen this, this is p orbital. This I am pointing my pen on the screen. This is px orbital, and both the lobes are opposite in sign, which are also shown in the animation. Okay, this is p orbital, and this is node. I am seeing this plane. This is called as nodal plane, where the probability of the finding the electron is almost zero. Okay, but not zero. How many nodal plane are found in p orbital? Only one. This is only one. Okay, this is py orbital. The distribution of this is nodal plane. I want to hide this nodal plane. This is the distribution of this orbital is around the y region, so this is called as py orbital. Okay, I am seeing this. I am pointing my pen on this. Seen this, the distribution of this orbital is around only y region. Okay, and both the lobes are opposite in sign, which are shown in animation. Okay, so another type orbital is pz orbital. The distribution of this orbital is around z region. Okay, this is called as pz orbital. Okay, and one nodal plane. Okay, one nodal plane. Seen this? This is pz orbital. The distribution of this orbital is around the z region. So three type of orbital. One is px, another is py, and another is pz. One orbital can occupy 2 electrons. So maximum vacant place for the p subshell is 6 electron, because in p subshell number of orbitals is 3. One is called px, another is called py, and another is called pz. Okay, so one orbital can occupy 2 electrons. So if 3 orbital meet together, px, py, pz, then they can occupy 6 electrons. Okay, now we want to move on the concept of d orbital. Seen this, this is d orbital. The number of lobe in d orbital is how many? 4. But you have seen in past animation about p orbital The p orbital was dumbbell like shape. Only two dumbbells were present in p orbital, but here in d orbital number of lobe is 4, and this is double dumbbell like. One is blue and another is red. Okay, seen this. And in case of p orbital, you have seen that the number of the nodal plane was 1, but here the number of nodal plane I want to seen this, please seen this. Here I want to discuss about the number of okay, number of nodal plane. Here seen this nodal plane number is 2. One is this, one is this, and another is this. Seen this. Okay, two nodal plane, because two vacant planes can intersect this. Okay, one is passing from blue and red region, and another is also passing from blue and red region. Okay, so I want to discuss about the type of d orbital. So d orbital mainly exist in the universe of 5 type. One is called dxy, another is dyz, another is dzx, and another is dxy square minus y square, and another is dz square. But dz square is also the combination of the two orbital. One is dx square minus z square and dy square minus z square. When two different type of orbital, dx square minus y square and dy square minus z square, combined together, then they result a new orbital. That orbital is called as dz square orbital. Okay, but the question is arise here that why the orbital combine together and they generate a new orbital. That orbital is called as dz square. So I have discussed it in the some lectures that the orbitals are nothing. The orbital is the wave, and wave have the property for that is called as the superposition, because you have read it in previous classes that the wave have the probability for the superposition. If the wave in the same phase, then they superimpose to each other and generate the wave having high amplitude. Okay, and waves which are different in phase, if they superimpose together, then they result a wave which have almost zero amplitude or decrease the amplitude. ठीक है. So this is the concept of the superposition. So superposition of orbital arises here, that the dx square minus z square and dy square minus z square are two waves such as called as the orbital. When they superimpose, then they generate a new type of wave that is called as the dz square orbital, and the energy of dz square orbital, I does not want to discuss about the energy of the orbital, because you have familiar with the energy of the orbital, that if the size of the orbital is increases, then the energy of the orbital is also increases. So our topic is that what is the d orbital and the shape of the d orbital. Okay, so first I want to discuss the shape of seen this. This is dz square orbital. Okay, number of nodal plane here. Okay, two canonical nodal planes are present here. One is below and another is this. One conical nodal plane passing through from this blue, and another is also from this blue. Okay, that is not seen in the animation. Okay, so this is dz square orbital. This is the circle like red color. This is the y and z, y and x, and this is blue region which is called as the z square. Okay, so dx square minus y square combined together generate this red uh, red region. Okay, this is, I am pointing my pen on this. This is dx square minus y square, and this is dz square of one dx square minus z square, and this is dz square of another dy square minus z square. Okay, so dz square and dz square combined, they become in shape blue, and dx square minus y square combined, they become in shape this red region. Okay, so two nodal plane. So this is dz square orbital, which is the combination of two orbitals dx square minus z square and dy square minus z square. Okay, so now we want to discuss another orbital, such is this orbital is called as, seen this number of nodal plane. Number of nodal plane is here, number of nodal plane is 2. Okay, seen this, one is this and another is this, and this orbital is passing through from the x and y axis. So this orbital is called as the dx square minus y square orbital. Okay, seen this orbital, the electron, the orbital present in the region of seen this x and y. Okay, x and y, but dz is not related with these lobes, so this is called as dxy orbital. Okay, seen this carefully, and number of nodal plane here 2. Okay, number of nodal plane is 2, so this is dxy orbital. Okay, seen this is called as, seen this carefully, seen this here, this orbital in the region of the lobes present in the region of dx and lobes present in the region of x and z. Okay, seen this. Okay, so this is called as dxz orbital. Okay, number of nodal plane is also here present 2. Okay, so this is dxz. Now dyz. Okay, seen this is yz, because lobes present in the region of y and z axis. Okay, so this is dyz orbital. Okay, so I have shown you the shape of dxz, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square, and I also clear your concept about the combination of dz square orbital. Okay, I have told you that the dz square orbital is the combination of two different orbital. One is dz square minus x square and another is dz square minus y square. Okay, so okay, thanks for watching the video.